Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Thomax, and I've just turned 60 this year. If you're around my age, perhaps we're walking the same path, a journey of learning how to keep our bodies strong and vibrant, even as time gracefully moves forward. This isn't just about adding years to your life, it's about adding life to your years. Let me ask you something deeply personal. Have you recently felt your legs getting weaker for no clear reason? Or maybe you've had to stop and catch your breath after climbing just a few stairs, something that used to be effortless before? These subtle changes can be unsettling, hinting at a loss of the vitality we once took for granted. If that sounds familiar, please leave a comment below. It's important to know you're not alone on this journey, as I truly believe many people out there are quietly experiencing the same concerns. This shared understanding is the first step towards empowerment and positive change. After more than 30 years of working with thousands of patients across the United States, I've realized one important truth: we're not afraid of getting older, we're afraid of getting weaker. No one truly fears gray hair or wrinkles, but we all fear losing the confidence to stand tall, or feeling our legs tremble when we try to take a simple step. This fear stems from a potential loss of independence and quality of life. One of my patients, John, 71 years old, once confided in me, "Doctor, I eat well, I walk every day, but somehow, I feel like I'm getting weaker with each passing day." His observation wasn't his imagination, it was a real and common physiological process. He was experiencing the early signs of sarcopenia, a silent enemy that most people don't even recognize. Sarcopenia is the progressive and generalized loss of skeletal muscle mass and strength, directly associated with aging. It slowly steals away your muscle tissue, making you feel more tired, weaker, and slower, impacting everything from your balance to your ability to perform daily tasks. This condition significantly increases the risk of falls, fractures, and a decline in overall functional independence. But here's the truly good news, and it's a message of hope for health enthusiasts and caregivers alike: you can absolutely reverse sarcopenia. The magic, surprisingly, begins right inside your kitchen, not with complex medical interventions or expensive supplements. Your daily food choices hold immense power to rebuild and restore. I helped John make just a few simple, yet profound, changes to his diet. There were no pills, no intense, grueling workouts required. We focused on strategically adding specific, nutrient-dense foods to his daily meals. This included incorporating a handful of walnuts, a little feta cheese, some lightly sautéed onions, a portion of lean beef, and a sprinkle of hemp seeds on his breakfast. These small adjustments were designed to provide targeted nutritional support. 3 months later, John returned to my office, beaming with a genuine smile. He exclaimed, "Doctor, I can walk again, and I don't need my cane anymore." This transformation was not just physical, it was a profound restoration of his confidence and independence. That moment solidified my conviction: the strength of aging doesn't come from a bottle, it comes directly from your kitchen. So let me ask you again, with this powerful example in mind, if just a few small, enjoyable changes in your meals could help you regain strength, walk steadier, and sleep better, would you be willing to try? This isn't about deprivation, it's about strategic nourishment. Share your thoughts in the comments below. I'd love to read your stories, your honest experiences, because this is Health Hub Central, a community where we learn to live healthier and stronger, together. The scientific community strongly supports this approach. For instance, a groundbreaking study from Tokyo University followed over 2,000 older adults for 5 years. It found that by simply adding a few specific, muscle-supporting foods to their diets, participants reduced their risk of muscle loss by up to 73%. Even more remarkably, many participants experienced significant gains in muscle strength in just 12 weeks. This research underscores the profound impact of dietary choices on maintaining physical vitality in later life. I'll share those specific, powerful foods in just a moment. But first, take a second and truly reflect. When you look down at your legs today, what do you feel? Is it confidence in their ability to carry you through your day, or a growing concern about their diminishing strength? Be honest and share your thoughts below. I'll read every single comment, and who knows, I might respond to yours in the next video. Your insights help shape our community's journey. Because I truly believe, and have witnessed countless times, that aging isn't the end of strength, it's a new chapter where we learn how to care for ourselves more deeply. I've seen 70-year-olds who are stronger, more agile, and more energetic than people in their 40s. Their secret? They simply changed the way they thought about health, shifting their focus to proactive, nourishing choices. And I want that same vibrant future for you, too. So, if you are ready to rebuild your strength, regain your energy, and feel youthful and capable again, hit that subscribe button for Health Hub Central. In the next part of this series, I'll reveal the 8 powerful foods that can help your body rebuild strength from the inside out, transforming your health one meal at a time. Leave a comment with the phrase, speech bubble emoji, I want my strength back, so I'll know you're ready to begin this empowering journey with me. I'm Dr. Thomax, and you're watching Health Hub Central, where aging isn't an end, but a chance to live healthier, stronger, and more fulfilled than ever before. Welcome back to Health Hub Central. If you're watching this part, it means you truly care about your health and are committed to taking proactive steps. I deeply appreciate that dedication. In our previous discussion, I emphasized that true strength in later life doesn't come from a bottle of supplements alone, it comes primarily from your kitchen. Today, let's delve deeper and explore 8 simple yet incredibly powerful foods that can help you preserve muscle mass, protect your joints, and restore your lost energy and vitality. These are not exotic ingredients, but accessible foods with profound benefits. I understand that many people harbor concerns about red meat, often due to misconceptions. However, what's truly detrimental isn't meat itself, but rather how we choose and prepare it. Lean beef, when consumed in moderation and as part of a balanced diet, is a powerhouse of essential nutrients. It contains natural creatine, which provides immediate energy for muscle contractions, and a complete profile of high-quality protein, crucial for muscle repair and growth. Furthermore, it's an excellent source of zinc, vital for immune function, hormone balance, and efficient protein synthesis. One of my patients, Linda, 68, had been a strict vegetarian for 10 years. She came to me feeling utterly exhausted, with noticeable trembling in her hands and significantly weakened legs. After carefully reintroducing lean beef into her diet, just twice a week, her transformation was remarkable. 6 weeks later, she joyfully declared, "I feel like I'm 10 years younger again." This illustrates how targeted nutritional adjustments can profoundly impact energy and strength. Right pointing finger emoji, tell me in the comments, do you eat beef regularly? How many times a week do you incorporate it into your meals? Salmon is celebrated for its exceptional nutritional profile, particularly its abundance of omega-3 fatty acids, specifically EPA and DHA. These healthy fats are potent anti-inflammatory agents, which are crucial for reducing systemic inflammation that can hinder muscle recovery and contribute to chronic pain. Omega-3s also boost circulation, ensuring that vital nutrients reach your muscles efficiently, and have been shown to stimulate new muscle cell growth. A compelling University of Washington study demonstrated that older adults who regularly consumed omega-3s experienced an increase in muscle strength by up to 30% in just 6 months. Beyond omega-3s, salmon also provides significant amounts of vitamin D, essential for calcium absorption and optimal muscle function, and vitamin B12, which supports nervous system health and energy metabolism, both critical for muscle recovery and overall vitality. Right pointing finger emoji, if you don't eat fish often, comment I need to start eating fish so I know you're ready to make this beneficial change for your health. Feta cheese stands out as an excellent dairy choice for older adults due to its unique properties. It is generally easier to digest compared to many other cheeses, making it a gut-friendly option. Feta is rich in calcium, a cornerstone nutrient for maintaining strong bone density, which is intrinsically linked to muscle support and fall prevention. Crucially, it also contains leucine, a key branched-chain amino acid, BCAA, that plays a pivotal role in stimulating muscle protein synthesis, especially important for preventing age-related muscle loss. Unlike some heavier, more processed cheeses, feta can also contribute to improved gut health, which in turn enhances the body's ability to absorb protein and other vital nutrients more efficiently. I often recommend adding a sprinkle of feta to your lunch salad or scrambled eggs. It's a delicious, simple, and incredibly bone and muscle-friendly addition to your diet. Few people realize the profound health benefits packed into humble onions. They are an excellent source of quercetin, a powerful flavonoid with significant antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. Quercetin plays a crucial role in improving blood flow by enhancing nitric oxide production, which helps dilate blood vessels. Better circulation means your muscles receive a more efficient supply of oxygen and nutrients, facilitating their repair and growth, and reducing post-exercise soreness. A small but insightful European study found that individuals who regularly consumed onions had a 10% higher muscle density compared to those who did not. This highlights the onion's potential to support muscle integrity. Incorporating onions is simple, just sauté them lightly as a base for meals, or add them raw to salads and sandwiches. Even a small amount can contribute significantly to your circulatory and muscle health. Walnuts are truly the smart snack for people in their 60s and beyond, offering a dual benefit for both physical and cognitive health. They are an exceptional source of plant-based omega-3 fatty acids, alpha-linolenic acid or ALA, which, like those in salmon, contribute to reduced inflammation and improved cardiovascular health. Walnuts also provide arginine, an amino acid that the body converts into nitric oxide, further boosting blood flow to muscles and supporting muscle protein synthesis. Beyond muscle support, walnuts are rich in antioxidants and magnesium, which is vital for over 300 biochemical reactions in the body, including muscle and nerve function, blood glucose control, and blood pressure regulation. Just one handful a day can make your body feel more flexible and energetic, especially noticeable in the morning. Their benefits extend to brain health, supporting memory and cognitive function. Right pointing finger emoji, try it. Comment I'll start eating walnuts if you're ready to incorporate this powerful nut into your daily routine today. Hemp seeds are a nutritional marvel, often overlooked but incredibly potent. They are considered a complete plant protein, meaning they contain all 9 essential amino acids that your body cannot produce on its own. This makes them an invaluable protein source, especially for those looking to reduce meat consumption or seeking diverse protein options. They are also remarkably high in magnesium, crucial for muscle contraction and relaxation, and iron, which is essential for oxygen transport to your muscles, preventing fatigue. Furthermore, hemp seeds offer a balanced ratio of omega-3 and omega-6 fatty acids, contributing to overall cellular health and reducing inflammation. Their high fiber content also supports digestive health, ensuring optimal nutrient absorption. I typically add a spoonful to my morning yogurt, oatmeal, or smoothie. It's a simple, quick, and powerfully effective way to boost your daily nutrient intake. Spinach, a leafy green powerhouse, contains natural nitrates that are converted into nitric oxide in the body. This process helps your muscles work more efficiently by improving blood flow and reducing the oxygen cost of exercise. Essentially, it allows your muscles to perform better with less effort, which is incredibly beneficial for maintaining strength and endurance as we age. A compelling study from Stockholm University found that individuals who ate spinach 3 times a week exhibited 11% stronger muscle contractions compared to those who did not. Beyond nitrates, spinach is rich in vitamin K, vital for bone health, and a host of antioxidants that protect cells from damage. I love mixing spinach with a drizzle of olive oil, minced garlic, and a squeeze of lemon juice. It's a simple yet incredibly nourishing side dish that supports both muscle and bone health. Oranges and other citrus fruits are renowned for their high vitamin C content, a nutrient that offers far more than just immune support. Vitamin C is absolutely essential for the production of collagen, the most abundant protein in your body. Collagen is the primary component of connective tissues, including tendons, ligaments, and cartilage, which are crucial for keeping your muscles and joints flexible, resilient, and pain-free. I like to call vitamin C the anti-stiffness vitamin because its role in collagen synthesis directly contributes to joint mobility and muscle elasticity. A daily glass of fresh orange juice, or simply enjoying a whole orange, might seem like a small habit, but its consistent intake can significantly contribute to maintaining youthful flexibility and preventing the aches and stiffness often associated with aging. It's a simple, delicious way to protect your musculoskeletal system. You might be thinking, can just a few foods really make that much difference? I used to wonder the same thing in my early career, until I witnessed the incredible transformations in my patients. People in their 60s, 70s, even 80s, began to walk confidently, move freely, and reclaim their independence, simply by making these small, strategic changes to their meals. Their stories are a testament to the profound power of nutrition. And I want that same renewed vitality for you too. This isn't about a restrictive diet, it's about empowering yourself with knowledge and making informed choices that nourish your body from the inside out. It's about taking control of your health journey, one delicious meal at a time. Right pointing finger emoji, comment below, I'm ready to start my new journey with Health Hub Central. I'll personally choose a few comments to respond to in the next video, offering tailored advice and helping you build your easiest, most effective anti-muscle loss meal plan. Because you deserve a strong, independent, and joyful life, full of energy and free from the limitations of age-related weakness. I'm Dr. Thomax, and you're watching Health Hub Central, where we don't just talk about health, we learn to live strong, every single day, no matter our age. Join our community and let's build a healthier, more vibrant future together.